Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Instagram could not refresh feed problem solved. You open the Instagram app and refresh your home page. As usual, however, it says could not refresh feed. You keep refreshing the home page and still can't see the latest Instagram post. In this post, I will explain why Instagram can't refresh feed to you and tell you how to fix it. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Click settings. Click apps. Click app management. Find Instagram app. Click Instagram app. Click storage use. Click clear cache. Then click clear data. Click OK. Click force stop. Open Google Play Store. Click search bar, then type Instagram. Click Instagram. If you get any update, please update. Open Instagram app. Then log in your Instagram account. As you can see, my problem is solved. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If the video is useful to you, please share with your friends.
Thanks for watching.